Come make Senegalese jollof rice with me.
This is exactly why Senegalese jollof rice is not only the original, but the best. And lucky for you, I'm going to be teaching you how to make it today. And these are the ingredients you're going to need. They'll be posted on the screen. And you know what? Also, don't be in my comment section fighting it out with me. I don't have time. It's Ramadan. Please respect my deen. I just feel like countries need to do what they do. Do what you do best. Senegalese people, we do jollof rice best. Nigerians, y'all got Afro beats and Nollywood down pat. Good for you. Ghanaians, you got kente cloth and shea butter. Stick to that, baby. Do what you do, okay? So these are the vegetables I'm going to use. This is what I like. If you want some other kind of vegetables, good for you. Senegalese jollof rice, we have different vegetables that we use for red rice. So now we're going to mix our blend for our chicken. You're going to put garlic, a habanero pepper, black pepper, maji, and then you're also going to add in a little bit of oil just to make it blend better. You're going to stuff this in your chicken. This is to season the chicken, because I've been seeing some of y'all not seasoning your chicken, and that's crazy. Please season your chicken. So now we're going to go ahead and start frying it so it can have a nice coat to it. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and set down my pot for the rice. I'm going to put oil and let that oil get hot a little bit while I mix for the rice. So you're going to put habanero peppers, garlic, green onions, maji again, black pepper, and just mix that all together. You're also going to go ahead and start putting salt in your hot oil, put in the tomato paste, and put half of the blended mix that you just put in from the beginning so it can taste good. Here's a trick. If you want your rice to be a little dark, because I think these people really like our rice dark, you're going to add a little bit of browning, just a little bit. Now you're going to go ahead and add your water and go ahead and put it in your chicken. Look at that chicken. It's getting very much brown skin girl. Skin like mouse. Okay, now you're going to add in your vegetables. You're going to put your washed rice in the microwave for a couple minutes just so it can be a little bit pre-cooked. Go ahead and take out your vegetables and your chicken and put in that other half of that mix. Put in your rice. Let that, cook. I don't have time frames for you guys. If you cook, you should know. At the end, this is what it should look like. Look at that. Great. So now it's time for the taste test. Let's see. Tastes like victory. Again, Senegalese people, top tier, we win. There's nothing you can say. I'm going to pour one out for my people, some sparkling water, because I love you guys. We did that.